Hello, my crafty friends. It's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're getting ready for an amazing weekend. I know I've got a lot of things going on this weekend. My daughter's going to prom. My boys are playing travel baseball. So we've got a busy weekend. So anyway, I just wanted to jump right on in. I have a Tuesday morning haul for you guys. I found a few items that I think you'd like to see and maybe you might want to try and find this weekend. So let's jump right in. The first thing that I found is this double-sided die cuts with a view 6x6 paper pad. It was $3.49 and there's the SKU. This is called Milky Patterns and I picked this up because I liked the pastel colors. So I'm going to try to do, well, it's kind of, I didn't cut it, but there's pastel colors in this set, and it is double-sided. So I figured this would be perfect for spring, just to give you a little sneak of what this looks like. Really, really pretty paper pad. So I actually ended up picking up 2 of these because I just really liked the colors. I did pick up this American Crafts neutral cardstock. It was only $1.99. Great find here, and then it has some blacks, some grays, some whites, some tans, and then it has a couple of browns. So I picked this one up and I thought that was a great find as well. I was in the need of some darker colored cardstock. I was really excited to find this Maggie Holmes Carousel paper collection. I did see my friend Tara Finch here on YouTube share this on her channel. Hey Tara, if you're watching, I'm so happy I was able to find it. It was only $2.99 and there is the SKU in case you'd like to go and find it. But this is such an adorable paper pad. I am loving this pad. I'll do a quick flip through for you guys, but it's really, really pretty. I love Maggie Holmes paper. It's just fun to work with, and see, this one has the foil accents on it. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. And then this one's stars, and then this one has the foil on it as well, the pretty roses. Then the cute little kites, and then this one also has the foiling on it, the little waves. Got cute polka dots and some words. And I really, really love the swans. Isn't that so pretty? I just love this paper pad. It's gorgeous. So I was so excited to be able to find this pad, and I was able to pick up 2 of them. So I'm going to try to create a project using these, and then I'm going to be looking for the ephemera pieces to go with this. Hopefully those will start trickling in. That would be really nice Tuesday morning. I did find this 6x8 Bella Boulevard paper, and it was $2.99. I don't know if you've seen this, but this is actually really, really pretty, you guys. These are like acetate sheets. So let me just move this out of the way. They're clear. So this one says, "Today choose joy." And then you've got the gold striped pattern. Really, really pretty. And then you've got this one right here, and it says love. I don't know if you guys can see that too good, but it's just really, really, really pretty. See, this one has love, love, love. So this would be really pretty to incorporate into a scrapbook, I think, or a project. And there's lots of different ones, and I think it just repeats itself. I think you get 2 of each. So super cute find there. I did find this Bella Boulevard, and it's the panda paper, and I just couldn't pass this one up. It's just so super cute, you guys. I'll do a quick flip through, and I love that their paper is double-sided, and it's like a summer theme. I like the watermelons, and I especially love like the little popsicles and those cute little pandas. Aren't they adorable? There's the popsicle page, the flamingos, the watermelons, and then I think it just repeats itself. But super cute pads. I'm really happy to find that, and that was $2.99, and there's the SKU number if you want to find it. What else did I find? I did pick up this at Tuesday morning, and their eggs, their decoration, they have like a little ball, and I figured I could decorate Happy Mail, Easter Happy Mail using these, and I just thought they were so, so pretty. They're sequin eggs. So hopefully there it goes, focus. It's really, really pretty. So that was a fun find for $2.99, great price. I did find this basil let me share it this way. It is a Basil heavyweight cardstock, and it was only $4.99. I apologize, you guys. My focus is not, I don't know what's going on. There we go. This was $4.99, and it comes with a few different patterns, and I just like the fact that it is 100-pound weight cardstock, and I especially liked this gingham. It has 2 of those, it looks like, or 3. Looks like 3 of each design, and I just picked this pack up because I thought this was perfect for spring and Easter projects. So can't go wrong with heavyweight cardstock. And then I did find this Echo Park Spring Collection paper pad. I'll do a quick flip through. You guys have probably already have seen this. It has the cute little cut aparts, and then of course their paper is double-sided, and I just love their paper. And I was needing some more spring and Easter paper because I had used up the last pack, so that's why I went ahead and picked up this pack right here. And that's the back of that one. And then you got this cute little floral pattern, and then I love this gingham right there, and then the pretty butterflies. And then you got the back of this one, yellow polka dots, and then you get the sticker sheet, which I have upside down. So really fun collection and a great price. Other fun finds that I found at Tuesday Morning, I did find this cactus die. It's called Prickly Pear, and it was $3.99. And there's the skew, but I will go ahead and open it up in case you guys want to see what the die looks like. It's a good size die. And it comes with all, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 dies. So that's what it looks like up close. Really, really cute. Looks like you even get like a little lizard. So this will be fun to play with. So super, super cute. And then I also found the Maggie Holmes fringe butterflies, and I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. That was $2.49, and there is the skew in case you'd like to find it. I also found some more Bella Boulevard ephemera pieces, and it goes with some of that paper that I had picked up, the sea theme. This is what the back looks like, and these are all the tiny little pieces that you get, and it's just really, really adorable collection. So I was happy to find that. And then I also picked up the little designer clips. They were $1.49, and it's a summer theme. This is what it looks like on the, on the back. Really, really cute, and I love the pandas. It goes with that panda paper. I did find these cute little crown 3D puffy stickers. I thought those are super cute. And then I picked up these bows. They were 99 cents to go along with that collection. I was able to find the black puffy hearts, so went ahead and scooped that up. And then the last couple of fun things I found was this Thickers. It's an alphabet alignment guide, and it was $4.99. And there is the skew right there in case you'd like to find it. But what it basically does, it allows you to line up your letters on your scrapbooking page or your layout or whatever project you're working on. So it comes in this clear container, and you get, looks like you get a few. So you get a couple of smaller ones, and then you get this one that's like a wave, and then you get this straight ruler, and then you get this one right here. So I think this is very useful. So if you find this, I think this is a good tool to have in your stash for sure. And I like that it comes in this plastic sleeve where you can store it and just keep them all together. So really fun find there. And then I did pick up this confetti punch. I didn't have this one, and I wish I would have picked it up on clearance when it was on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I never could find it. So anyway, I purchased this because I really want to try to make some clear vellum shaker pockets, and I've been seeing a lot of ladies on Instagram making these really cute shaker pockets and embellishing them. So I'd really like to try that with my my Stitch Happy sewing machine. I really want to play with my sewing machine. I just really don't have room to pull it out. I have to bring it all the way down to my kitchen just to play with it. So anyway, I'm gonna try to make some projects using that. So that is my Tuesday morning haul. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Please leave a comment. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.